My Hydro Clean Easy is leaking. The tank is not filling though I can hear the water running. What should I do?
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I'll be glad to assist you today. Is it leaking from the flapper? The toilet flapper may just be ready for replacement, especially if it has been a few years. I recommend the Fluidmaster, full-size image.
Thanks. Is this a standard model/size?
Yes, it is. I assume that the tank is leaking into the bowl and not leaking from the valve itself, is that correct? The valve just turns on periodically, right?
It seems to be doing both, leaking into the bowl and also from the valve into the tank.
Is the valve continually running or it just turns on every once in a while? Do you hear trickling all the time?
Yes, hearing it all the time.
The trickling?
Yes, the trickling.
And the valve just sometimes turns on.
It's trickling constantly without sometimes turning on.
One more question just so I can be certain. If you look inside the tank, is the water going over the fill tube? That is the tube in the middle.
No. The water isn't filling that high.
Very good. It is just the flapper. The flapper will harden and break down over time and no longer hold the water in the tank. The trickling is the water leaking past the flapper. When the water in the tank gets low enough, the float will activate the valve and fill the tank back to the fill line. The water continues to leak and the valve is working and doing its job of filling the tank. The valve is fine.
Okay, thanks. We'll replace the flapper. And it is okay that we also see some trickling for the top of the valve into the tank. From?
If it always leaks, then you should repair it or replace it. If it only leaks when the water is on, then no big deal. Maybe just trash stuck in it. If you remove the cap on top, turn the water off to the toilet, and if you can remove the top by turning the piece that is connected to the arm counterclockwise and unlock it and hold a cup upside down over it and turn the water on a bit and flush it out, you might need an assistant. Then put it back together.
Thanks, XXXXXXXXXX, probably just the flapper in that case. Much appreciated.
You are very welcome. Mike.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.